Hi there, this is Sean Jordison, and we are going to learn how to format links in Microsoft Word. Links should have descriptive titles describing where they are sending users. Screen readers can pull up a list of links from a page. If the pages have meaningful names, they can find exactly the link they need without referring to the surrounding text. It is important to avoid using vague language like click here and more info. When a user pulls up a list of links in JAWS, they appear over and over. This can be confusing for users as it does not provide clear context to what the link is. Be as descriptive as possible. Instead of using this, click here for more information. Use this, Sean Jordison's comprehensive guide on creating accessible links. To make a link accessible in Microsoft Word, follow these steps. Select the text on the screen that you want to make a link. Right-click the text and select Edit Hyperlink. Edit the Text to Display area. Insert hyperlink in address. Select OK. You just learned how to make a link accessible in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.